Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm gonna show you how to turn one of these cans of milk, spray painted it black, and turn it to this beautiful Apothecary jar. So for this we're gonna need one of these milk jugs. We're gonna need spray paint, flat black. We're gonna need this package of skulls from Walmart, $3.98. We're gonna need twine. I'm gonna use this feather. We're gonna need some embellishments like this one. We're gonna need some of the mesh from a package of pumpkins that I used, and some moss, a glue gun with glue, and I'm using one of these stickers, moon stickers I found on eBay, and paints. Also for the top part we're gonna use some cork. This is a cork piece I had, and this is what we're gonna use to turn this into a cork. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna take our bottle, we're gonna flip it like this. We're gonna take our brush, you can see it's kind of flubbed. We're gonna take some paint. In this case I'm gonna use only white paint. In this one I used different types of gray, but for this one I'm gonna use only white paint, because I just don't want to get this black to fade so much. So we're gonna pour some of this paint right here, and what we're gonna do is just a dry brush. And now that we have our distressed bottle, we're gonna let it dry. And when it's dry, we're gonna add our label. You can print those labels in every style or way you want, or you can write them, or you can do them. I just printed it out from Google. These are my labels. I found them on Google, and I printed them out in copy paper, nothing special. Now we're gonna cut them so we can use it. And now it's ready for using it. We're gonna stick it like this in our bottle. But first I want to measure this so we can get the exact measurement of this lid. And using our pen, we're gonna trace out our lid. Okay. Now we're gonna cut our lid shape. And just like that we have that. Now we measure our lid again, but this side, and we're gonna take it like this and cut a piece of cord to surround our lid. Doesn't have to be perfect also. So now we're taking our glue gun and putting a good amount of glue and sticking our cord on top. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna trim some of the cord to make it rounder. And then we're gonna take our other piece of cord and we're gonna start giving it shape so we can cover the sides. Some of that tape and just wrap that around our bottle so it has some time to set. That way we're gonna give that glue the time it needs to set while we work on the sides of our bottle. And now we're gonna get our label on the other side. This is the back part. We're gonna get our label like this, and for that most people use different types of glue. I use my hot glue because it wrinkles the paper and it gives it a little bit more dimension. Now we stuck that really well. we're gonna start to embellish the sides using our twine. This I want it to be on top of this like this. You see? And then we just grab some twine and wrap it here. Take some of our embellishments and add them in different places of our bottle by, this is metal, so we add some hot glue, we let it set a little bit or cool down, and after it has cooled down a little bit, then we add that to our bottle. While we wait for that, we can check it out. How it looks, and this is how it looks. Let me get them together so I can show you how they turned out. And this is how they turned out. This is the first one, the one that I showed you, and this is the one that we made. They look amazing. They ended up being a lot more pretty than I expected. Look at that. Look at those details. They look so good for being a bottle of milk. And so this is how they look, and this is how you turn something like this, bottle of milk, into something like this, an apothecary jar. Remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos, part of our series, which is nice. Take care. Bye-bye.